If you're looking to automate your data enrichment process in Salesflare, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the steps and explain how you can leverage this powerful tool to streamline your sales pipeline and improve your data quality. Stick around till the end, because I'm also going to show you how to get access to an extended, exclusive free trial. First off, Salesflare is an automation-focused CRM designed to help businesses grow smarter and faster. It does this by automatically enriching your data, meaning that you don't have to manually input information or rely on external data sources. Data enrichment in Salesflare allows you to pull in relevant information about your contacts and companies like job titles, social profiles, and company details, all without lifting a finger. To start automating data enrichment in Salesflare, the first thing you'll need to do is set up your integration with their data providers. The platform supports several third-party tools, such as LinkedIn, Clearbit, and Full Contact, which bring in rich, up-to-date information on your leads. Once the integration is in place, Salesflare takes over the task of automatically populating contact and company profiles with additional data. This helps you get deeper insights into who you're interacting with and ensures that your team is always working with the most accurate and complete information available. Here's the great part. The platform doesn't just stop at basic information. It collects actionable data, such as company size, revenue, and key decision makers. With this information at your fingertips, you can segment your contacts based on meaningful characteristics, helping you personalize outreach and better target your sales efforts. Now, how does it all work in practice? Whenever you add a new lead or customer, Salesflare automatically scans its database and pulls in all the relevant information. It uses artificial intelligence to determine the most relevant data points and appends that to your contact records. This means that you don't have to worry about tracking down updated job titles or missing out on key details. The power of automation doesn't stop there. If your contact information ever changes or gets outdated, Salesflare will automatically update it, so you're always working with fresh data. This ensures that your sales team can focus on what matters most, building relationships and closing deals, instead of getting bogged down by manual data entry. Another useful feature of Salesflare's data enrichment is its ability to keep track of customer interactions. It records emails, meetings, and calls, and uses this data to further update your profiles. For example, if a contact moves to a new company or gets promoted, Salesflare will update the profile to reflect this new information automatically. This keeps your sales and marketing teams in sync and ensures that you're always one step ahead in your outreach. The real benefit of this automation is in how it saves time and enhances your sales team's productivity. Without needing to manually search for information or update records, your team can focus on more meaningful activities, like engaging prospects or nurturing existing relationships. This leads to better conversion rates and more sales opportunities down the line. For those who are just getting started with Salesflare, you might find it helpful to explore their automation workflows. You can set up triggers that will automatically add or update contacts based on certain actions, like an email being opened or a deal moving stages. These workflows ensure that your sales processes are not only automated, but also well tuned to your business needs. If you're looking to get the most out of Salesflare's data enrichment, make sure you're connecting your CRM to all the relevant tools that your sales team uses. Whether it's a LinkedIn integration or syncing up with your email marketing tool, the more systems you integrate, the more data Salesflare can pull in, ensuring you have everything you need in one place. And the best part, you can use Salesflare for free, and I've got an exclusive offer to get you an extended trial that you won't find anywhere else. Check out the first link below to grab your free access and start automating your data enrichment today. Trust me, this is the kind of tool that'll take your sales game to the next level, so don't miss out. In summary, automating your data enrichment in Salesflare not only improves your sales team's efficiency, but it also ensures your team always has up-to-date and accurate information to work with. So, if you're ready to dive into a smarter, more streamlined sales process, click that link below and get your free trial with our exclusive bonuses today.